Welcome to today's video on mapping your journey, where we'll explore the step-by-step process of goal setting. Mapping out your goals is key to achieving success in any area of your life. The first step is to get clear on what you truly want to achieve. Take some time to reflect on your passions, values, and long-term aspirations. Once you have a clear vision, break it down into smaller, more manageable goals. These smaller goals will serve as milestones on your journey towards your ultimate goal. Next, it's important to prioritize these goals based on their importance and feasibility. Start by focusing on the goals that will have the biggest impact on your overall success. Now it's time to turn these goals into actionable steps. Break them down into smaller tasks that you can work on daily or weekly. Make sure these tasks are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Creating a timeline or schedule will help you stay organized and track your progress. Remember, consistency is key. Stay committed to taking small, consistent steps towards your goals every day. Don't be afraid to adjust your plan along the way if needed. Keep an eye on your progress and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Don't forget to stay motivated and keep your why in mind. Having a strong reason why you want to achieve your goals will help you stay focused. Surround yourself with positive influences and like-minded individuals who can support you. Remember that setbacks and challenges are a natural part of any journey. Embrace them as opportunities for growth and learning. Stay adaptable and willing to make adjustments as you navigate your path. Regularly reassess your goals and make sure they still align with your vision and values. Hold yourself accountable by tracking your progress and reviewing your goals regularly. Remember that mapping your journey is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process that requires dedication, self-reflection, and continuous improvement. Keep challenging yourself and never stop growing. By mapping out your journey, you'll have a roadmap to follow and a clearer path to success. So start today, and watch as your goals become a reality step by step. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.